Let me show you how to create stroke text in Photoshop. Select the Type tool. Set the font size to your desired size. Open the character panel and follow these settings. Select a font you want to use. Type any word you want. I will be using stroke in this video. Press Ctrl or Command T to transform the text. Open the character panel again and set spacing to -25. Hide the stroke text layer and select the background layer. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate. Drag the background copy above the text layer. Go to Select. Then select Subject. Photoshop will automatically select your subject for you. Click the layer mask icon. Now reveal or unhide the text layer. Click to select the text layer. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate it and drag it over all layers. Right-click and select Blending Options. Select the Stroke tab and follow these settings. Please make sure position is set to inside. Set stroke size to 15 pixels and click OK. On the layer panel, set fill to 0%. Wow, this is the result. You did great. Let's get to the final part. Select both text layers and click the Link Layers icon to link both layers together. With the Move tool selected, click and drag the text around to see the magic. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.